Good morning, student. Today we continue exercise 9.1. So we start with question number 7. First of all, we have to read question number 7. Question number 7 is Alka estimated that the cost of refreshment for the 10 guests would be rupees 345. At this rate, how much would it cost to buy refreshment for 80 guests? Okay. So in this case, you can see the question says give the information that Alka estimate the cost for replacement is for 10 guests is 345, and we have to find the cost of replacement for 80 guests. This is the case of proportion. Okay, both ratios are equal, that's why they are proportion. So how to solve this question? Look here. First of all, I write let replacement. We have to write let displacement would cost rupees x for 80 guests. Okay, therefore the proportion, because this is the case of proportion, can be written as 10 is to 345. 10, what is 10? 10 is the number of guests, and what is 345? This is the cost for displacement. Okay, so 80 proportional to 80 is to x. 80 is the number of guests and x is the cost of replacement for 80 guests. Now cost of product of extreme equals to product of mean. Product of extreme equals to product of mean. Here 10 into x equals to 345 into 80. X equal to 345 into 80 by 10. Here 0 and 0 cancel. Then it will become 345 into 8, that is 2760. So cost to buy refreshments for 80 guests is how much? 2760. Okay, so this is the concluding line of the question number 7. So like that only you have to solve question number 8 also. Read question number 8. Question number 8 is if Mihika saved rupees 5600 in 3 months, how much she will save in 15 months if she saves the same amount every month? Okay, if Mihika is saving rupees 5060 in 3 months and he's saving the money for 15 months, then how much money did she save in 15 months? So this is also case of proportion. So here you can solve the question as it is in question number 7. Okay, now you turn the page. Now if a hole 3 meter deep has to be dug for every 5 feet of tree height. Okay, if a tree is height is 5 feet, then we have to dug 3 feet hole. Okay, so how much deep should the hole be for a tree that is 17 feet high? Okay, if a tree's height is 17 feet, then how much feet we have to dug? So here this is also case of proportion. You have to use the same formula, the same method for solving as we use question number 7. Do this question, do 8 and 9 by yourself, as I mentioned in the question number 7. So number 10, a certain shade of green paint is made from 6 part of yellow mixed with 4 part of blue. Okay, green paint, we have green shade of green paint is made from 6 part yellow is made from 6 part yellow and blue parts blue and 4 parts blue. If 70 cans of paints are used in all in making that shade of green paint, in all say 70 cans are used, then how much cans of blue are used? Then we have to find that how much cans of blue is used. So let's see how I solve. First of all, we have to write the ratio of yellow to blue is 6:4. Why? Because 6 part of yellow and we mix 6 part of yellow to 4 part of blue. Okay, so we can write 6:4. The ratio is 6:4. Then sum of term of the ratio equals to 6 plus 4, that is 10. 6 plus 4 equals to 10. Then number of cans equals to how much? It is given to us 70. This is 70. This is 70. Now number of blue canes equals to 70 into 4 by 10. Here 0 0 we cancel. 7 for the 28 canes. So thus 28 canes of blue were used. We have to use 28 canes of blue. Now 17 11 number you look. Question number 11. In a school has 1605 students. If the students to teacher ratio is 15 to 10, 15 to 1, how many teachers are there in the school? So the number of students are given to us and the ratio the ratio of student to teacher is given to us. So how to, this is the case of proportion, okay? So look how to solve this question. So here you look, let the number of teacher is x, the proportion can be written as 15 is to 1, that is 15 is the ratio, number of student and 1 is the teacher. So here first of all let write the number of student, that is 1605 is to x. Now product of extremes equals to product of mean. 15 into x equals to 1 into 1605. So we have to write here x and 15 goes this side, then we cut it, okay? Then we cut it, don't multiply here, okay? First you have to cut. So I cut with the table of 15. 15 1 is 15, then here 15 1 is 15, here 1 and 0. 1 is left. Sorry, here 1 is left. 15 1 is 15. Here 105. 107 it is, okay? So 107 teachers. So thus there are 107 teachers in the school, okay? Now number 12 number, this is also case of proportion. You have to solve this question by yourself. That's all for today. Solve this all the question of this size. In next class we start direct and indirect variation. That's all for today.